Bakit gusto natin ng successful life pero ayaw natin ng sacrifices? Kaya marami daw na scam kasi gusto nating mabilisang kita. Ayaw natin ng matagal. Kaya pag in-invite mo, attend ka ng financial literacy class, ayaw kasi matagal at ayaw natin ng sacrifice. By nature, man designed to have abundance life. But because of our sin, before we reach abundance life, we need to spend a lot of sacrifices. So how to overcome sacrifices to reach abundance life? Focus on what we want. Because what we focus on grows. Sa buhay natin, mayroon daw tayong dalawang finifeed. Yung negative self at positive self. Kung sino yung lagi nating pinapakain ay siyang lumalaki at siyang nabubuhay. To know more about on how to become successful financially, join our free financial literacy class mamayang 1 o'clock sa Daddy's Food Hub sa Park Place, Anabo Hills, Amos. See you there.